What you need to say is Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. He said, "He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." He was talking about compound interest, a force that quietly shapes our financial lives every single day. Think of interest as rent for using money. There are two ways to calculate it. The first is simple interest. It's linear and predictable. If you invest $1,000 at 10%, you earn $100 every single year, a flat, straight line on a graph. But then there's compound interest. This is where the magic happens. In year 2, you're not just earning interest on your original $1,000, you're earning interest on $1,100. Your interest starts earning its own interest, and a snowball effect begins. This small change creates a massive difference over time. Imagine investing $10,000 for 20 years at a 5% return. With simple interest, you'd double your money to $20,000. Not bad. But with compound interest, your balance would swell to over $26,500. That's an extra $6,500 created simply because your money was allowed to build on itself. This effect gets even more powerful when interest is compounded more frequently, say monthly instead of annually. The rate is divided into smaller pieces, but the time periods are multiplied, making the growth curve even steeper. This is why compound interest creates a J-curve graph. It starts slow, almost flat, and then accelerates, shooting upwards exponentially. It's the engine behind your retirement savings and the dangerous fuel for credit card debt. Understanding this isn't just about math. It's recognizing that the most powerful variable in your financial future is time. The choice, as Einstein noted, is whether you earn it or you pay it.